Before we begin this video, I would like to thank LUVME Hair for sending me this bomb wig, and I will have my coupon code down below in case you're interested, and you'll get 10% off your order. Now onto the lace. This is a 4x4-inch closure with Swiss lace. The color of the lace is medium brown. It also comes with an adjustable strap, and it is 200% density. It is a 100% version, and it is a 12-inch wig. Now this wig can be dyed, and as far as the circumference, it's 22.5, which is the standard medium. This wig is very thick, and it's just full of body. Like, can you see that? It's just full of body. I have no problems with it as I'm just gladly running my fingers through it. This wig is it's just so full. It has so much body, and look at that scalp. It is just so good. It just looks so natural. Now onto the application. I'm going to be using my lace glue, and I'm just going to put about 2 to 3 coats on just to make sure I have that nice melt that's going to last. And I'm just going to use my blow dryer, and I'm just going to also take my ragtail comb and just comb through the lace, basically like press it into the glue just to get that perfect melt. And just to give it just a little bit more tackiness, I'm gonna go in with my bedhead mini spray, and I'm gonna just use this on my hairline and the lace just to give it that extra security. Now I'm gonna use my elastic band, and I'm just gonna fasten it just to get that really perfect meltdown. And I'm just gonna take my wax stick. I believe it's the KT wax stick. I got this from Amazon, but I'm gonna use this just to flatten down any of the bumpy areas, and I'm just going to pull back just the front just a little bit just to get that nice volume. It already has volume, which is super great. I'm just trying to give it a little bit more, and this is gonna help. And then I'm just gonna take my hot comb and just run it through, and it's just gonna give me that perfect lay. Like, do you see that? Do you see that? Next, I'm gonna start by cutting the lace. I'm just gonna cut the edges first with just regular scissors, and then I'm gonna use an eyebrow razor and just cut along the hairline. just went back over it with some spray and some more lace glue, and as you can see, that lace is non-existent. Like, this is so good. Like, this is just scalp. Like, literally, this is so good. The lace is bomb. Like, I can't even see it anymore. It just looks like scalp. Now I'm just gonna flat iron out any bumps or anything just to make it nice and sleek, to give me that nice blunt bob look. So I'm just gonna run it through with my comb and my flat iron, and this hair can take up to 400 degrees. I had my flat iron on like 418 degrees and it did so well. It did so good. And as you can see, this hair is giving body. It's giving like I just got out of the salon, a fresh blowout. It's just perfect. It's just the ultimate melt. Body is there, color is there, lace is there. This is a really good wig. I definitely recommend this wig if you guys want to buy it. Like, go ahead. Like, buy it. Go ahead. This is just because this wig is bomb. I promise you will not be disappointed. Look at that. Just look. Look at that. Again, shout out to LUVME Hair for sending me this beautiful, gorgeous unit. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys again in the next video.